Okay, now what's up? What's up, America? T.dog is back. Now, this is how it's gonna be today. We're gonna do it like that. Do it like that. You know, we're gonna get it ready today. We ain't gonna have that. Put that pork chop down. I see you back there. Put that ice cream away. You can't get away from T.dog. We're gonna work it out today. I see you back there. Put that sucker down. Put that soda down too. Ain't no sodas, ain't no suckers, ain't no none of that. Let's get it going. Let's work it out, baby. Come on, work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Woo, work it out. Come on. Hup. Come on. Work it out. Let's go. Hup. Work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Come on, work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Come on, get up there. Walk it out. Walk it out. That was a good one there. Oh boy, we worked up a good one there. Yeah, we worked up a good one there. Whew. Whew. That was a good one there. Now, you get your water. Got all your water. Okay? One thing about T.dog, you want to stay healthy. See? Nah, America, the problem is some people just don't want to be healthy. You know, something wrong with that. Some say, man, that was a workout there. And you wonder why I charge $19.95. Because you can't get it nowhere else better than that. You got this virus thing going on. They say stay home. You can stay home with T.dog. You know? Some people, I done heard, like walking the track. What can you possibly get out walking the track that you can't get with T.dog? But, America, I tell you something. You stick with my program. You and me. Just you and me. You put that popsicles down. You put that ice cream down. You put them sodas down with all that sugar and stuff in it. You put that candy down. You eat a lot of green vegetables. And you drink a lot of water. And I guarantee you, in 5 years, you'll have a beach body. $19.95 a month. 3 sessions a week. Video live. Okay, because we got to stay home with virus stuff. I don't want y'all around me anyway. Y'all ain't got the mask on. You know, I'm just saying. I ain't say that out loud, but, you know, that's between me and you, America. That was a workout there. I feel all them calories I burn. I mean, you feel that? Do you feel the power of the T.dog workout? Man, your body is burning. You're sweating. Your muscles is all tight and they're ready to go. Man, that little workout there, you done lost, man, 3,000 calories. So I tell you what, America, I don't take no checks. Okay? I got a cash app. I'm finna start off a cash app. Okay? If you don't know what that is, look around, ask people what's a cash app, and you can send it straight to my cash app. But the point is this. It'll be worth it. It'll be way better than walking some track in Michigan. You know, you can stay home and you can work up a sweat like we just did. We did 35 minutes of high pack aerobics. Maybe we did an hour. Did we do an hour? America, did we do an hour? I don't know. It goes so fast when you're working out. You can't tell. Only thing I know is I feel good. You know? So, drink your water. Stop messing around with all that high-calorie food. Them pork chops, them pork steaks, them fried hamburgers, sausage, you know, fried eggs. Leave that to me. You know, I don't want you to eat that stuff. Now hear me out, America. Hear me out. I can eat that stuff. I'm in good shape. You can't eat it. It ain't do as I do is do what I say. Okay? Now, America, I'm gonna let y'all get y'all rest. Go take a hot shower. I know that we did at least an hour and a half workout. Come think about it. Yeah, we did about an hour and a half. That was a good sweaty workout, you know? So, all jokes aside, America, let's get down and dirty. 1995 a month. 3 sessions a week with T.dog. Okay? You do that, and that's going to be the best investment you ever made besides buying you a house and a car. Okay? And that's the only thing about my session. It's high impact aerobics, like we just did. High impact. I mean, you can't get no harder than that. Man, you know? I mean, we did some high impact stuff right there and there for about an hour. All I'm saying is this, America. It's worth it. So right now, I gotta go take me a hot shower. I mean, for the hour and a half we did, or maybe it's 2 hours. I don't know what we did that quick. I mean, we did it. It's so much fun doing it. Time go by so fast. So maybe not 2 hours. That's high impact aerobics. You know, you can't get no better than that. That's like running from the police. You know, you can't get no better than that. You know, if you want to put anything close to what I just did to you, that's like, yeah, running from the police. You know, getting shot at or something. Running down the alleys of Detroit at 3 o'clock in the morning with a dog chasing you. So you can't get no better with what I just gave you. $19.95 a month on my Cash App, and in 6 months to a year, you'll be lost 10 pounds. You'll love it. Sign out for now. I'll check back with you next week and see whoever made their mind. You know how to contact me with the Cash App. Y'all stay blessed, America.